The second movement, the second preliminary movement of Tai Chi Chih is bird flaps its wings. And I'm going to do this facing you because there is no right and no left side on it. We start with the two heels together, the hands softly hanging in front of us. We go to the side, flap the wings, and the knees come to the side. Then the hands come down together, we go out again, and so forth. We do that 3 times. The third time, we go from back to the front, make one circle, come back down. Now we do 3 sets of 3, and when we finish, we bring the hands down, and then slowly to the side. Now we bring the hands down in front of us, then slowly float it into the side and hold it for a moment to allow the positive and negative to flow together again.